Hey guys, what's up? It is Chloe's cooking corner. We're going to be making Anzac biscuits today and this Thermomix. You should look up Thermomix online and see how much money they are, and you should buy one.
They're pretty cool, aren't they? Yeah. Hey, now listen, we went to make these a bit earlier, and what didn't we have?
We didn't have golden syrup.
So we had to make some, didn't we? So we're going to use the same jug that we used to make our golden syrup. And here's our golden syrup here. Ours is a little bit darker than what yours may be because we did use coconut sugar. All right, let's get started. So what's first?
Butter. So we already weighed everything out into a bowl.
Thanks, darling. We're going to chuck it in.
And
beautiful.
Always wash your hands, put your hair up, and if you're a girl, and if you put coconut sugar instead of brown sugar in, it doesn't go bong bong bong. Because Thermomixes are smart. It doesn't matter if it says to put a green apple in. It doesn't say.
You can still do your own thing.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just going to pour the golden syrup because it is still a tiny bit warm because I have literally just made it. And all it is basically is, there's a couple of different recipes. It's basically sugar and water, and sometimes you use citric acid and sometimes you use lemon.
Yeah, and some people, they sometimes accidentally do 120, and that's okay. It's just a little bit overboard.
Yeah, you can weigh a little bit over. It doesn't matter. It doesn't
see
go.
Where that arrow is?
Yep.
That's where we're going to spin our dial up to. So we spin it to the right.
Yeah. Okay, we'll see you in a minute.
Hey guys, so we're back. We're going to be using a Thermomix spatula. You can order them online. Instead of using a plastic one, if you like bendy ones, you can do it. So we're going to scrape down the sides now.
It's probably a little bit more sticky because we had that bit of golden syrup in there, but that'll be right. Yeah, that'll do, darling. Should be right. What's next?
There we go.
Beautiful.
And if never tap on the side when you do your stuff. Always tap on the side.
Yeah, perfect.
On the inside. So now we're going to do that, but it's actually called that's a remnant, but we call it bicarb.
We do call it bicarb.
We've already put it in this pool.
Yep.
Oh no, it's a bit stuck.
How was it? Just use your spatula. It's a bit rainy today. It's kind of been sitting for a while. Hey, darling.
Yeah. I went to the dawn service on Thursday morning because it was at 2 o'clock, and I thought it was actually really good.
It's amazing our dawn service, isn't it? Here at Bagara.
Yeah. Okay. See you when it's done. Bye. Hey guys, we're back. So it's just mixed a little to do it. So now it says rolled oat, 100 grams. Make sure you always do it close to the bowl, but not too close. Because if you do it too high, it'll splash everywhere.
Yeah, it could spill everywhere, couldn't it, darling?
But we did it accidentally 105.
Don't matter.
One goes bum, bum, bum.
Don't matter, hey, mate.
Yeah. Next, plain flour. Where did that go?
Here, Mummy will pour that for you, sweetie.
Oh, yeah, there.
Do you want to just tear the scales for me?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, you keep an eye on them for me and tell me when we...
Be careful, slow down, you know you're under. Stop.
150, don't we need? Oh, oops, Mummy went 10 grams over, sorry. Oh, good.
Next, brown sugar.
Now, what are we going to use instead of brown sugar?
Coconut sugar.
Yeah, just what we use, hey?
And it looks the same, but it's just got a hint of coconut sugar.
Yeah.
It just came out in one big blob.
That's okay.
So this is what stuff goes on Remingtons.
So it's desiccated coconut, it's called. You quite like eating it by itself, don't you, darling?
Yes. Actually really healthy for you. And make sure, if you want to, you can sometimes, the best way to put your lids on is from the back there and then push it down.
Mm-hmm.
And make sure it's all pushed down. You can use TM31 MCs because if you want to, or you can just use TM5.
Just what we had in the cupboard, wasn't it, darling?
So we're going to do it up to speed.
Okay, and that's going to combine. So how about we'll see everyone when we're rolling?
Yep. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, we're back. So we're going to be making them into the cookie shape like that. So we're going to show you the finished part after they're cooked, or maybe when they're all on the tray to show you how many there are. And we might count them before we show you, so we can tell you how many we can make in one batch in a Thermomix. You'll be amazed. See ya.
So goodbye now from Chloe's Cooking Corner.
So goodbye now from Chloe's Cooking Corner.
And did you want...
And subscribe and give this channel a big thumbs up.
Beautiful. Thanks, sweetie.